Creating Custom Babyliss FX Barber Tools, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of customizing your Babyliss Pro FX Barber Tools and show you how to create your very own personalized set. If you're a fan of Babyliss products and want to add a unique touch to your barbering arsenal, this video is for you. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the Babyliss FX product line. Babyliss is known for its high-quality, professional-grade barber tools, and the FX series is no exception. These tools are designed for precision and performance, making them a favorite among barbers and stylists. Choosing your customization options. Now that we're familiar with the Babyliss FX product line, let's talk about customization options. The first thing you want to do is to download the app, Babyliss Pro Custom FX app on Android and iOS stores. Once here, there are several ways to personalize your tools, such as custom color schemes. Choose from a variety of colors and finishes to make your tools stand out. Follow these steps. 1. Select your base tool. Choose the Babyliss FX tool you want to customize, such as the clipper, trimmer, or shaver. 2. Choose your color and finish. You will start off with a blank white tool, and through your selections you'll see it come to life. You get to choose the top housing, handle, logo plate, bottom cap, taper arm, and on-off switch. 3. Select your blade options. Experiment with different blade types and materials to find the perfect fit for your cutting style. Here you get some amazing options like the taper, fade, and wedge blade. 4. Assemble your custom tool. Once you've made your selections, assemble your custom Babyliss FX tool. You'll check out and it'll ship to your mailing address 8 to 10 business days. And that's it. With these steps, you can create a custom Babyliss FX barber tool that's uniquely yours. Not only will your personalized tool look great, but it will also help you stand out as a professional barber or stylist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.